Hi everyone! So today we will be continuing the Art of Giving series, and we will be creating appreciation collages. This is a continuation of the last lesson where we made scrapbooks as gifts that we will be giving away. So this is for the same person, and for the first page or the first 2 pages of the scrapbook, we'll be creating appreciation collages. So for this, you need a scrapbook or journal. You need photos of the gift receiver, which is optional. You need scissors. You need glue. And then you need more decorating supplies. So that can be tape, that can be pens and highlighters, that can be markers, that can be cutouts. Just anything you can find around the house. So there are lots of reasons why you should create an appreciation page for somebody. You can really tell the person why you appreciate them, or highlight a lot of their positive traits or positive aspects of your relationship. And it can strengthen your relationship. Just because as a gift, which is what the whole series is about, to give gifts to others so you can strengthen those connections and just show somebody how valued they are to you and how much you are grateful for them being in your life. And that can mean a lot to a person, especially when times are a little harder or we feel a little more disconnected. Let's take some time to practice gratitude, which means being appreciative or thankful for somebody or something. Even though we're currently making appreciation pages and thinking about why we're grateful to them or why we are appreciative towards them, it's also good to take some time each day to just think about what you're grateful for or who else you're grateful for. That should help your well-being a little bit as well. And that means that you are more physically and mentally healthy, happy, and comfortable. If you're unsure about what you want to do, it's always good to just lay it down before you glue anything. It's great to practice gratitude because it allows you to really have a better relationship with a person and connect with them on a deeper level. It can actually improve your physical and mental health, like you might feel healthier, or it will help reduce negative emotions such as anger or envy, resentment, regret. You'll become more empathetic, and empathy is when you really understand or share feelings with another person. You may be able to sleep better, your self-esteem should improve, all because you're practicing empathy and gratitude. And I've glued down most of what I want to glue down, so I'm just gonna write and decorate the page a bit more to tell this person how much I appreciate them for being my friend. And if you can, it might be nice to label what this page is. So I think I'll label mine appreciation. this page, I've decided that I'm going to write a little bit more of a letter to this person, just to tell them how much I appreciate them for being my friend. So when you're done filling out your appreciation page and filling out your scrapbook, you should take the time to give this to the person, whether that's through mail or in person. And I'll see you for the next lesson. Bye.